Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y divided by x, y divided by x. That is about degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by x, because first derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx. Next, first derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of derivative. So we put this one gone here, this one gone here, this one we change for this one, s divided by s. This one we have v. Now v I will put on the right, we have negative v, and this one they cancel. Side v I will put on the left, the s and s I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. This one we have cosecant of v dv. The integration of this one, we have negative number 1 fn of the absolute value of cosecant of v plus cotan v, and then I will put about c. The integration of this one, we have fn of the absolute value of s about v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s, and now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.